Paradise, Boonsville, Cottondale, Rome, Runaway Bay, Newark, and Lake Bridgeport. Precautionary preparedness actions. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wise County in north central Texas, northwestern Benton County in north central Texas, southern Cook County in north central Texas, until 1 p.m. At 12:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Denton, Sanger, Decatur, Krupp, Pilot Point, North Lake, New Fairview, Rear Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Rear Roberts Park, Kyle D. Dubois, Ponder, and Bellevue. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until